So this is the, I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm going to say the Bekemeyer family farm.
I'm going to say the Bekemeyer.
It's fun to pick the hydroponic strawberries. You don't have to bend down.
Yeah, it's a little easier of a pick. It's more in a more confined area, so you have more. You don't have to walk as far. You don't have to bend down as far. They usually taste really good. This is one of the better tasting places for strawberries.
Oh yeah, but they are very expensive. They're like $5 a pound.
Yeah, they're a lot more than the other pick places.
We bought $10 worth of strawberries.
Yep.
And they are in Winter Garden, Florida, on East Story Road. Check their Facebook and come out and pick their hydroponic strawberries.
Sure, before the season ends.
Before the season ends. I wouldn't say it's hot as balls,
No,
but it's warm as balls.
it's warm for the time of year.
For February, yeah. Last Thursday was 91 degrees in February. February 13th, it was 91 degrees.
Yeah, that was a warm day.
That was awful.
Surprised it didn't break a record.